We are thrilled to be selling 17 Burt Street in Cottesloe. This is a beautiful single-level home on approximately 300 square metres of land with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and wonderful living areas facing this stunning northern courtyard. But the location here is just first class. What do you like about it, Nick?
Chris, this is a fantastic spot east side of the line in Cottesloe. A great modest-sized block with everything that you need right at your doorstep. Great for young families or those just looking for something simple and easy.
Yeah, like a downsizer to come into this area. It's perfect in every respect. This property is going to be auctioned on October the 16th, a Saturday, at 10 a.m. in the morning. This is a great offering, so make sure you're at the auction on October the 16th. And Nick and I welcome you to attend.